In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert page numbers in Google Docs from a specific page. This is perfect when you have a title page or a cover section that shouldn't be numbered and you want the numbering to begin later in the document. Start by opening your Google Doc and placing your cursor right before the page where you want the page numbers to start. Now create a new section so the front part of your document stays unnumbered. Go to the top menu and choose Insert, then Break, and then pick Section Break, Next Page. Google Docs will create a new page and start a new section, which is exactly what we need to control where numbering begins. Click into the header area of the page where you want numbering to start. You can do this by double-clicking near the top margin. You should see header controls appear, confirming you're editing the header for this section. This is important because page numbers live in the header or footer, and we want them to be independent from earlier pages. Before adding numbers, make sure this section isn't linked to the previous one. Look for the link to previous option in the header toolbar and uncheck it. This breaks the connection between sections, so page numbers added here won't bleed into the pages before. If you skip this, the numbers will show up everywhere, which defeats the purpose. Now you're ready to insert the numbering. Go to Insert again, then Page Numbers. Choose a style that fits your document, like numbers at the top right or bottom center. Once you select a layout, Google Docs will place the page number in the header or footer of this section. Because we unlinked the sections, numbering will begin here and will not appear on earlier pages. You should now see a page number on the chosen page, and it will continue automatically on the pages that follow. If you need to adjust the position, use the alignment tools to move it left, center, or right. You can also highlight the number to change the font size or color so it matches your document style. If the number doesn't appear where you expect, double check that your cursor was in the correct section and that link to previous is turned off. That's it. You've set up page numbers to start exactly where you want them, with earlier pages left clean and unnumbered. Save your document and you're good.